Video number 206, finding the terms of a geometric sequence. Find the ratio and the first term of the geometric sequence with a third term of 40 and the sixth term equal to 320. We first start off with the geometric sequence formula or the rule, and you can go back to video 205 to brush up on that. We then plug in 40 for a sub n, and then definitely plug in a 3 for n, right? Because the third term gives us 40. That gives us 40 equals a1 times r squared. Do the same thing for the 320, plug in a 6. We eventually make it down to here. Why? Because if a1 equals this, and a1 equals this, therefore those two ratios equal each other by the transitive property. We then go ahead and cross multiply. We get this. Then divide by 40. Beautiful thing. You get r to the fifth equals 8r squared. Here's the next awesome move. You then divide by, bam, r squared. The beautiful thing about it is this. Some people are saying, well, gosh, are you allowed to divide by a variable? Well, not usually, but in this case, we know that r is not 0, because if r was 0, every term in the sequence would be 0. So that's why we know that we're in good shape. So by dividing by r squared, r is definitely not 0. Then we get r cubed is 8, r is 2. Then we can use the fact that 40 equals a1 times r squared to help us solve for the first term. We then turn this to a 4, divide by 4, we get a1 equals 10. All right, so that is finding the terms of a geometric sequence, and good times.